the living process, the experiencing process, is, even in plants and animals, is an implicit intricacy, which is to say that anything we say or think about it, any scientific theory about it, any theory, anything we ever say, is wrong if you think that that's what it is. If you think that it may be helpful to think about it this way, then the theory can be right and can help a lot. If you think that living is actually made up out of these verbal conceptual units, then you're wrong before you ever even start to say what the theory is. Are you following me? Well, you all know that too, because you've all experienced with yourself and other people that sometimes the theory is really wonderful and it helps, and then the next minute it's all wrong, and because life is not made up of theoretical units. It's not made up of any units, actually. It's a carrying forward interaction. And so it's always implicitly more intricate, implicitly more complex, implicitly more interesting. Sometimes I beg my client, let's be interested in you. You know, I know the situation is urgent, I know you've got to stop this and you have to find another way, I understand, but let's be interested in you too, at least, you know, so that we can have some joy in finding how interesting and intricate and complicated and unexpected and surprising and unpredictable this really is once it opens up. And then I don't think I would say all that to a client, but maybe I would. But I hope that we can be interested in it, because even though right now it looks exactly like type A, diagnostic, this and that, if it's going to be allowed to breathe, within 5 minutes it's going to be different. It's going to be more complicated. It's going to be, yeah, that's true, but, and it's going to have all these shades and all, and you know all that. I call that an implicit intricacy.